ready for a nice cup of tea. Would definitely buy this again.
See if you can hear it. This is a review of the OVENTE electric kettle, which I just love. So here is the kettle on its little stand. You can see that's what the stand looks like. It does underneath it also have a thing where you can wrap the cord around it to store it. So let's get some water in it. Okay, so I only use spring water in this kettle. It's got wonderful little measurements on each side so you can tell how much you want to do. Super helpful. It's also on both sides. Then when you're ready to heat it up, you just close the lid. This button here releases the lid, and then this button, this is the on, so you turn it on. I like the green. Lime green is my accent color, but I'm sure all the other colors are beautiful too. But and then it just does its thing with a little bit of mood lighting to go along with it. So it takes a few minutes to boil, but so far I'm very, very pleased. I use this every single day, have for a month or two maybe now, and I use it for both coffee and tea. So you can see here kind of what it looks like as it's starting to bubble and heat the water. And here you can kind of see the noise that it makes. It's pretty quiet. I'm really happy with how hot this kettle gets the water. It gets it so hot that I have to, especially in my insulated tumblers, let them, breathe a little bit with tea or coffee before I drink it. It's so hot, which is great. It's what I like. So this is what it starts to look like when it's bubbling. And if you want to see what the light looks like if you have a darker space, there you go. Great for, I don't know, any kind of party, I guess. But it just bubbles. Like I said, I use spring water, which usually leaves some minerals. You'll see a ring probably afterwards. And so I just use a little vinegar and water, swish it around there, wipe it out with a paper towel every few days. And as you can see, it just looks beautiful. It's very easy to keep clean. I do recommend keeping the vinegar away from any little metal parts, like the screws on the bottom of the kettle or that, just to prevent, because obviously vinegar is gonna corrode the metal as well. But yeah, look at that. Love it. Great little kettle. And it shuts itself off. It's got a nice little screen here to, if you've got any little doodahs in there. And yeah, super easy to use, very lightweight, safe. I haven't burned myself on this. Just a great little product. Very pleased.
So this is the tea kettle thingy. You lift it up like that. That's how you turn it on, and you lift it up by doing this button right here. And it even has a filter on it to keep your stuff clean. It lights up, which is pretty cool. I have it plugged into the wall at the moment behind my desk, but it heats up really, really fast. You can make coffee with this, you can make tea with this. It is a little loud, but that's not bad, honestly, if you have your music going anyways. But it's a pretty nice thingy. I'd say get it. Just get it. What are you waiting for? It's the best investment I've ever made to make tea in my room. Very simple to use. You just hit the button to turn on. Doesn't take long to warm up. To open, you just open one button. Very simple. It's glass and it's plastic.
This coffee pot is amazing. It's worth every penny. And the plate that it comes on ain't even hot when you touch it. But this stuff is boiling. It's nice.
Good morning, Lauderdale.
This kettle or teapot or electric teapot is very cool. It is equipped with a light on it, which makes it extra special. It stays on and it clicks off when it's done. But it's extra safe, I would say. My 7-year-old daughter uses it, so try it. You might like it.
I just got this hot pot and I started using it, and I've been boiled this for like almost 7 minutes now. So it look like it's not slow, and look a great product, you know, good price. So I'm happy with my purchase. It's nice colors, pink colors. I love it.